You're likely tired of pixelated and blurry photos, aren't you? Sometimes the lighting seems off, or maybe the colors just won't enhance the way you want. You keep retaking the shot, trying to get it just right, and well, there's another option that will save you from scrolling through hundreds of photos trying to choose the right one. Welcome to our video about Topaz Photo AI, and thank you for checking out our channel. Make sure to smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the action. Introducing Topaz Labs, an upgrade to photo editing. Are you ready to revolutionize the way you edit photos? Well, it's time you decide to venture into the world of masterful photo editing using artificial intelligence. Topaz Labs' latest masterpiece, Topaz Photo AI, is literally your one-stop solution to enhancing your photos, so they're just perfect. Whether you're a professional photographer or a casual hobbyist, this cutting-edge app is the answer to all of your photo editing needs. Wave goodbye to your days of laborious editing processes and endless tweaking to make your photos social media worthy. Don't worry, you'll still get all the likes and more to make you feel all sorts of loved. Topaz Photo AI takes all the complexity out of photo editing and makes it effortless. With its advanced autopilot function, this app will analyze your images and identify areas that require improvement, all with just the click of a button. But that's not all. Topaz AI also provides an incredibly user-friendly interface that makes editing your photos a breeze. No need to spend hours fiddling with complicated controls or getting bogged down in technical jargon. Photo AI is designed to do the grunt work for you, so you can focus on unleashing your creativity and bringing your vision to life. So what makes Topaz Photo AI a standout? Let's divulge. This technology comes with well-received features such as Topaz Denoise AI, Topaz Mask AI, Topaz Video Enhance AI, Topaz Sharpen AI, Topaz Gigapixel AI, and Topaz JPEG to RAW AI. So that was a mouthful, and we'll break those down for you in a bit. But what's important is that these tools can really take video or photo editing to an entirely new level for you. Photographers, videographers, and anyone with a creative bone can rely on Topaz to guide them to the perfect edit for their shots. So let's explore the features that it offers a bit more, shall we? Topaz Denoise AI. Get ready to say goodbye to noisy, low-quality images and hello to stunning, professional-grade photos with Topaz Denoise AI. This powerful software is packed with advanced features that make noise reduction and image enhancement a breeze. First and foremost, the Denoise AI is powered by cutting-edge AI algorithms that selectively reduce noise while preserving important details and textures. In less techie terms, that means you can say goodbye to grainy, blurry images and hello to clearer, crisper pictures that will truly stand out and you'll love. But don't let the power of Denoise AI intimidate you. This software is designed to be user-friendly and easy to use. With its intuitive controls and helpful tooltips, you can easily load and process images, customize noise reduction settings, and even batch process multiple images all at once to save even more time. And with support for raw image files from a wide range of cameras, you can rest assured that you're working with the highest quality original files possible. Plus, Denoise AI can be used as a standalone application or as a plugin for popular photo editing software like Adobe Photoshop or Lightroom, giving you even more flexibility in your workflow. But that's not all. Topaz Labs also offers a related feature called AI Clear, which uses similar AI-powered algorithms to enhance image quality by reducing noise and sharpening details. But wait, there's more! There's one more tool that you can use to enhance photo details. Topaz Sharpen AI. Next, Topaz Sharpen AI utilizes advanced AI algorithms to selectively sharpen images, enhancing details while avoiding the creation of unwanted defects. Let's be honest, we've all seen that one girl that tried to make her butt look bigger or her waist look smaller and didn't realize she warped the background, meaning everyone knows it was photoshopped. Can you say cringe? So yeah, you don't have to worry about mistakes like that with the Topaz Sharpen AI tool, and the software offers 3 different modes for sharpening images: sharpen, stabilize, and focus, each tailored to different types of image sharpening needs. What's key is that the Sharpen AI features an intuitive interface that makes it easy to load and process images, with helpful tooltips to guide you through the process. Interestingly, the software allows users to customize the sharpening settings to suit their individual needs, with options for adjusting sharpening strength, grain suppression, and more. Much like Denoise AI, Sharpen AI also lets you work on multiple images at once. It really helps improve efficiency and streamline your workflow. Thankfully, these products all work harmoniously with one another. Sharpen AI can also be used with Topaz AI Gigapixel. This comes in handy whenever you want to enhance image resolution and sharpness, allowing for more modifications. Don't worry, we'll get to Gigapixel and its best features in a minute. It's arguably the most notable product that Topaz Labs has given creators. So hold on, we're not done with this app's many features you'll want to use yet. Topaz JPEG to RAW AI. Say hello to Topaz JPEG to RAW AI. It uses advanced AI algorithms to transform JPEG images into high-quality RAW files, preserving details and enhancing dynamic range. Its best part is that this AI software automatically corrects common image issues like noise, blur, and color distortion, resulting in images that look like they were shot in RAW format. Not every app offers seamless flexibility in editing, but this one does. RAW files offer greater flexibility in editing compared to JPEGs, allowing for more control over exposure, white balance, and other settings. With JPEG to RAW AI, you can unlock the full potential of your basic JPEG images. Like other Topaz Labs products, JPEG to RAW AI can be used as a standalone application or as a plugin for popular photo editing software like Adobe Photoshop or Lightroom. JPEG to RAW AI also supports batch processing, allowing you to convert multiple JPEG images to RAW format at once for a more efficient workflow, and it's also super compatible. The software supports a wide range of JPEG image files, ensuring compatibility with most cameras and devices. By converting JPEGs to RAW format, JPEG to RAW AI allows for greater control over image quality and detail, resulting in images that truly stand out. Next up, we have a challenging aspect of editing to discuss. Topaz Mask AI. Now, we all know how tricky masking can be on other apps, with different apps offering little to no guidance during the process. Topaz Mask AI is like a breath of fresh air. This software is like having a magic wand that quickly and accurately selects your subject, all thanks to its super cool machine learning technology and try-map technique. Say goodbye to spending hours trying to get your mask just right. And the best part, Topaz Mask AI seamlessly integrates with Adobe Photoshop, so you don't have to switch back and forth between applications. It's like having two best friends who get along perfectly and make your life better. More so, with Mask AI, making intricate selections in your background are much easier. Even notoriously difficult subjects like hair and fur are easily fixable, thanks to its intuitive Compute Mask feature. It automatically detects and isolates fine details like these. But wait, there's more! If you're a landscape photographer, Topaz Mask AI has a nifty auto-detect sky feature that can remove or replace the sky in your images with ease. So, not only does it save you time, but it also gives you more creative control. No more wishing Mother Nature would comply to give you the most dramatic and eye-catching shot. You can capture the landscape shot and put the perfect sky in during editing. So what are you waiting for? Get your hands on Topaz Mask AI and start creating perfect masks like a pro. Your future self will thank you for the extra free time and better images. Topaz Gigapixel AI. Maybe Gigapixel can give you the final touches you need to finish taking your images to the highest level. Topaz Gigapixel AI is indeed designed to help photographers overcome the limitations of low-resolution images. The software uses advanced AI algorithms to upscale images while preserving fine details and textures, resulting in an output that looks natural and realistic. Think of this. In situations where you can't get close enough to capture the detail you need, Gigapixel AI can be a lifesaver. It literally upscales an image up to 600%. You best believe you'll be creating stunning, high-resolution images from low-quality sources. But just remember, Gigapixel AI can be a resource-intensive software, requiring a powerful computer with a dedicated graphics card to run smoothly. So, graphic designers and photographers, are you sold on this innovative tool yet? Or maybe video editing is more to your taste? Topaz Video Enhance AI. For anyone who's been stuck on finding the best app to video edit, this might just be your new buddy. Topaz Video Enhance AI is an amazing software that really amps up the video quality. Topaz Video AI uses artificial intelligence to upscale your footage, giving you better video quality without having to increase the resolution, Plus, it's amazing at reducing motion defects, recovering video details, and can even upsample your video to 4K or 8K resolution. But there's more to it. Folks, one of the coolest features of this software is its ability to create smooth, slow motion effects, adding a touch of drama or highlighting a critical moment in your video. And if you run into any questions or issues, no worry. Topaz Labs offers live support during business hours, so you can chat with a real human for fast and easy assistance. All in all, we won't be surprised if you think of yourself as the next hotshot producer. Wink wink. So there you have it. Editing is apparently easy now. Thank you, AI overlords. What do you think of Topaz Photo AI? Have you used it? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoy this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification so you don't miss our next video. You can also check out one of our other many videos on AI and more.